Hello, dear students. Hope all of you are well and continue your studies. Welcome back to our English second part online class. This is Mominul Islam, Assistant Teacher, Square High School and College. This class is for Standard 6. Today, we will discuss our new topics on English grammar. Let's see our today's topic. Today, we will discuss on use of prefix and suffix. It's an important chapter in the English grammar and it's also important for you. At first, let us know about a simple knowledge about suffix and prefix. Prefix and suffix are common in English and their correct use can help enhance the language skills. Let us understand what does prefix and suffix mean. So at first you may have a question, what is prefix? So answer will be, a prefix is a word that is added at the beginning of the root word to form a new word. A prefix word does not have any meaning of its own, but when added to a root word, it modifies the meaning of the word. Prefix makes a word negative, indicate opinion, etc. That means when a word is added at the beginning of the word to form a new word, it calls prefix. Let's see the example, then you will be clear. Here, the root word is happy. When we add prefix at the beginning of the word, it will be unhappy. That means a new word, happy, and it's also the opposite word of the root word, happy, unhappy. Let's see the next one. When we add a prefix of the root word organized, then it will be disorganized and create a new word. In such a way, prefix works to create a new word. I think you are clear about prefix. Then what is suffix? Like prefix, suffix is also a word that is added to the root word to form a new word, but suffix is added at the end of the word where prefix is added at the beginning of the word. Suffix does change the meaning of the word but not make the word opposite or negative as prefix do. It simply changes the class of the root word like a verb is changed into an adjective or into noun by adding suffix. Let's see the example. The root word is forget and it's a verb. When we add a suffix forgetful, it will be adjective. And in such a way, prefix makes a new word. Let's see the next example, happy. The root word is happy. When we add the suffix, then it will be happiness. And it's a new word. And it from verb, from adjective, it transfer into noun. In such a way, suffix changes the class of the word. So I think you are clear about suffix and prefix and their work. Let's see the next. Now, we will know how suffix and prefix are used to form a new word or meaningful sentence. Let's see, computer is a modern invent. The red mark word, you have to add suffix or prefix with red mark word to make meaningful sentence. So, computer is a modern invent. So, answer will be computer is a modern invention. Here we add the suffix and makes a meaningful sentence. Let's see, honest is the best policy. It's not a proper sentence. If we want to make a proper or meaningful sentence, we have to add suffix of the red mark word. So answer will be honesty is the best policy. Let's see the example. nobody likes a honest man. So it's not a proper sentence. When we add suffix or prefix, it will be a meaningful sentence. So answer will be nobody likes a dishonest man. So I think you are clear. Let's see the last example. Man has a unquenchable thirst for no. It's not a correct sentence. So you can add or suffix or prefix to make a meaningful sentence. So answer will be man has a unquenchable thirst for knowledge. So I think you are clear how does suffix and prefix makes a meaningful word, at the same time how it works to make a meaningful sentence. Let's see how suffix and prefix can make a meaningful paragraph by making a meaningful sentence. Let's see, then you will be more clear. Students should read throughout the year. In order to be sure of doing well in the examination, they have to pay attention to studies from the beginning of the year. So if we add suffix or prefix, then it will be meaningful sentence. So answer will be they have to pay attention. That means we have to add suffix here to make the meaningful sentence. Let's see the next sentence. Regular practice can sure good result. So answer will be regular practice can ensure good result. But if they are inattentive and irregular, they cannot expect to do so. Nobody can expect a good result in the examination without good prepare. If not prepare, it will be good preparation. You should be prepared for it. Some students remain unprepared for the examination. As a result, they become failure in life. Students should be more careful to be successful in life. So you see here in some word I add suffix and in some word I have to add prefix to make the meaningful sentence. And in such a way you have to add suffix or prefix to make a meaningful sentence. It's a very easy chapter. You can understand very easily, and I think you can transfer any kind of sentence into meaningful sentence by adding suffix or prefix. I think you are clear. This is for today. Please follow the group. I will upload a practice sheet in your group, and from this practice sheet you have to practice at your home, and you have to inbox me the answer sheet of your practice. I will check it. If you face any difficulty, please knock me. Thank you. Remain safe and sound. Goodbye.